Now to prove this, let's solve LHS first. Taking LHS, we will solving numerator and denominator separately to just simplify the calculations. Now we know that cos x plus cos y, this is the formula, this is the identity we are using. We know this identity is 2 cos x plus y upon 2 into cos x minus y upon 2. Now using this identity, let's assume it as equation 1. Now in this question we are taking first numerator, so let's take 4x and 2x. Just to simplify, if we take 3x, the calculation will be complex, so let's just take 4x and 2x first. Let x is equals to 4x and y is equals to 2x. Substituting these values in equation 1, cos 4x plus cos 2x is equals to 2 cos 4x plus 2x upon 2 into cos 4x minus 2x upon 2. Now 4x plus 2x is 6x and 4x minus 2x is 2x. Simplifying this, we get 2 cos 4x plus 2x is 6x upon 2 into cos 2x upon 2. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, and this gets cancelled. We get 2 cos 3x into cos x. As we have just taken these two values of cos 4x and cos 2x, cos 3x is remaining. Now let's take cos 3x. Taking cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x is equals to 2 cos 3x into cos x plus cos 3x. Now here the cos 3x and cos 3x, let's take cos 3x common. Let's take cos 3x common, and the left is 2 cos x plus 1. Now similarly, let's solve denominator now. Solving denominator, we know that the identity for sin x plus sin y is equals to 2 sin x plus y upon 2 into cos x minus y upon 2. Now let x is equals to 4x and y is equals to 2x. Substituting these values in equation 2, let's assume this as equation 2. Substituting, now we get sin 2x, sin 4x plus sin 2x is equals to 2 sin 4x plus 2x upon 2 into cos 4x plus 2x 4x minus 2x upon 2. By solving this, we get 2 sin 6x upon 2 and cos 2x upon 2. By simplifying this, we get 2 sin 3x into cos x. Now in the main question we have taken this sin 4x and sin 2x. Now the remaining is sin 3x. Now sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x is equals to 2 sin 3x into cos x plus sin 3x. Now sin 3x and sin 3x, let's take sin 3x common. Sin 3x into 2 cos x plus 1. Now let's assume this as equation A and this as equation B. Now dividing both equation 1 and 2, we get cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x upon sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x is equals to 2 cos 3x into cos x, 2 cos x plus 1 upon sin 3x, 2 cos x plus now we will cancel these terms. We get cos 3x upon sin 3x. We know that sin upon cos is equals to tan. So this is cos upon sin, it will be cot 3x. Hence our equation becomes cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x upon sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x is equals to cot 3x. LHS is equals to RHS. Proved.